For the circuit shown here, the potential difference between point A and B. So we have to calculate the potential difference between point A and B. Now you know that current flowing through this resistor in infinity means in steady state will be how much? 0, because once capacitor gets fully charged then no current will flow or no charge will further flow, so I will be 0 here. So when I becomes 0 here, in this case situation I will say that let us consider this potential to be 10 volt, this potential will be 10 volt, this potential will be 0 volt, and this potential will be 0 volt. Now I will use nodal analysis to solve this problem. So let's say potential of B to be V. Now I can say that the charges, if I consider the charges on this capacitors, so you can see that this is the isolated part. So total charges on this capacitor must be 0 because initially there was no charge on them. So I'm saying that let's say Q1 is coming here and Q2 is coming here, Q3 is coming here, and Q4 is coming here. Now whatever charge is there, the same charge will appear to 6 also because these are in series. So if I have to use nodal analysis, I will say that the sum of all the charges at Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q4, this must be equals to how much? 0. So if I write for Q1, I will say that V minus 10 is the potential difference, and the capacitance in this path 6 means I will directly calculate because here potential is not known. So I will go for the next point. Here potential is known. So 10 potential and V minus 10 potential is driving this part of the circuit. That has the capacitance 60 and 60 in series, so equivalent is 3C. So V minus 10 into 3C. Similarly, I will write Q2 as V minus 10 into 3C. So V minus 10 into 3C. Then Q3 will be V minus 0 into C. And here also 2C and 2C will become C. So V minus 0 into C equals to 0. If I simplify it, I will be getting 6 times V minus 10 plus 2V equals to 0. I will get here 6V minus 60 plus 2V equals to 0, and I will get 8V equals to 60. So I will get V equals to 60 by 8, that is 30 by 4, and this is 7.5 volt. So if I write VA minus VB, so VA minus VB will be how much? So VA I have considered as a 10 volt and VB is we have calculated 7.5. So net is how much? That is 2.5 volt. So that is the answer to our given problem.